Is your iPhone frozen or not responding to touch? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to force restart your iPhone and fix the problem in just a few seconds. First, locate the volume up, volume down, and power buttons on your iPhone. Now, quickly press and release the volume up button. Then, quickly press and release the volume down button. After that, press and hold the power button on the side of your iPhone. You may see the slide to power off screen appear, but don't swipe it. Just keep holding the power button. After a few seconds, the screen will turn completely black. Keep holding until you see the Apple logo appear on the screen. Once the Apple logo shows up, you can release the power button. Your iPhone will now begin the force restart process. This may take a minute or two, so just wait for it to finish. When the iPhone turns back on, you may be asked to enter your passcode before you can use Face ID again. This is completely normal. After entering your passcode, check your screen. In most cases, your iPhone should now be working normally and responding to touch again. That's it. That's how you can force restart a frozen or unresponsive iPhone. I hope this tutorial helped you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.